Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Shazia. In today's video, I'm going to review these NY Bay eyeliners. I have them in three shades, the blue, green and black one. And I shall be doing my detailed review as well as demo of these three liners. So yes, let's get started. So guys, talking about the price point of these liners, they retail for 149 rupees. If you can see over here, yeah, 149 rupees, and you get 6 ml of product and ingredients and stuff. You guys can see over here itself, everything is mentioned. If you want, you can pause and read. I'm not gonna read everything. So yeah, and you can use it till 2022, which, and you can see the claims that they have mentioned over here. Talking about the price again, it retails for 149 rupees, but you mostly find these liners on discount. I got them at a very good discount, I think for around 90 or 100 rupees, which I think was really amazing. I got them for a very good discount. Let us look at these liners in the inner packagings. So I really like the fact that they come in nice sturdy outer cardboard packagings. So yeah, this is the black liner and the shade is black pearl. If you can see, black pearl 1 is the black shade, and this is how the inner packaging looks like. I really like the inner packaging. It's quite nice, sleek, and yeah, it has this nice silver colored handle, and they're actually glass, and it's a glass packaging, so it looks really nice and classy. So yes, let's look at the wand and the tip of this liner. This is the tip, you guys. It's very nice, very fine tip, like you can see, and it's a completely matte liner. Just look at that. You can draw the thinnest stroke out of this because the tip is really thin. You can make it thick as well. So look at that. It's a very precise, gives you a very precise application, which I absolutely love, and the formula is also really good, and it's gonna dry down very quickly. And we'll see if all of these claims that are there in the back of the packaging are true or not. They say it's water resistant, smudge proof, quick dry formula, highly pigmented. Yes, so I can already say it's a very quick drying formula. It's highly pigmented, one stroke application, and it has a very thin brush with which you can make perfect lines. Now let's see if it's water resistant and smudge proof, and we'll also see if it is waterproof as well. So yeah, let's look at the other shades until this black liner dries. So the next shade is this green one. It is called as green moss, number 3, if you can see. So it's a very beautiful shimmery green color. The black one is a completely matte, by the way, but the green one is slightly shimmery, which I absolutely love. I think, let me just swatch it. Yeah, you can see it's kind of almost glittery, and yeah, let me just show you in close up. Can you see the difference? This is matte and this is slightly glittery. So I really love the green one. It's a very beautiful shade. Like the packaging itself, it looks so attractive, and the shade is also very beautiful, very bright, beautiful color. So yes, that's the green one. The third of shade that I got is Blue Lagoon 2, you can see, and this is the blue shade. Again, it's also a glittery, slightly shimmery blue color. It looks matte in the packaging, but it is actually glittery. So let me just swatch this. Look at that. It's so beautiful. If you're someone who loves colored liners, I think you're gonna love these shades. I don't know exactly in how many shades these are available, but I shall put everything, all the information in the description box and on the screen as well. I think, guys, these liners dry down pretty quickly. In like 10-15 seconds itself, I could already see the blue and the green one had dried up. When we were already swatching the blue one, the green one had dried up. So yeah, these dry up very quickly. Very, very quick drying formula. See, yes, talking about the blue one, it's also glittery. Like you guys can see the difference between these two and this one. This is completely matte, the black one, and these two are shimmery and have that nice glittery effect, which I absolutely love. So yes, these are completely smudge proof and transfer proof. You guys, you can see I'm rubbing it really hard, and you can see there's no product coming off. These are completely smudge proof, which I absolutely love. Now let's do the water resistant and waterproof test. I'm just squeezing some water on these liners. Let's see if they are water resistant or not. You can see I have water on them. You guys can see that they are not coming off, so they are definitely water resistant, like you can see. So yeah, let's see if these are waterproof. Let's try rubbing them with water. Okay, you can see they're actually coming off. Yeah, so I really love the honesty of this brand. They have not claimed it to be waterproof, and it is not waterproof. I mean, I have seen products and kajals and liners where, on the packaging it would be mentioned waterproof, but they would only be water resistant. So I really love the honesty of their claims. They mentioned that it is water resistant, and it is 100% water resistant. But I think they're water resistant to a very good extent. So I wouldn't count that as a con that these are not waterproof, because I personally think that, if liners and mascaras are resistant, they are going to be long lasting to a good extent. And, like, even if, you accidentally pour some water or something on your eyes, they're not going to come off unless you actually rub them like that vigorously, which I don't think we would normally rub our eyes like that so vigorously after we have our liner or eye makeup on, right? So yes, until we accidentally do it, that's a totally different thing. So yes guys, talking about the long lasting, they are quite long lasting. 4 to 5 hours they last on your eyes, and I think that's a very good long lasting that they have. And talking about cons, I don't think I found any cons in these liners. I don't even count that not waterproof thing as a con, like I explained you guys just now. So yeah, they're a very good option if you're looking for colored liners. You should definitely try them out. They are really good. And let's just try them on our eyes and see. And I'll try to do like a creative eyeliner look. And yeah, you guys can then decide and make your final thoughts about these liners. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm starting with the black liner. I'm just drawing a thin line on my upper lash line with it, and then slowly I'm just going to thicken it, and I'm going to create a wing on my outer corner with it. So like I already told you guys, these liners have very fine tip, so it's very easy to create a precise line with these liners. You can just never go wrong with applying them because of the type of applicator that they have. So now I'm just creating a wing, and I'm trying to create a nice colorful eye look using all the 3 eyeliners. So yeah, first, like you can see, I made a wing with that black liner, and then using the blue one, I'm just going to apply it on top of the black liner like a double eyeliner look. I'm just tracing the blue one on top of the black one. And then I applied a black kajal on my lower waterline, and then using the green liner, I'm just applying it on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to extend out the same wing, but I'm going to leave a slight gap from the wing that I created on my outer corner. So that's just going to create like a nice double winged liner look. So of course, you can create this kind of a colorful eyeliner look for events, parties, functions, or if you want like a simpler version of this, you can skip those elongated wings that I have created here, and you can just make short wings, or you can just skip the wing part totally if you want to. I'm also going to create an inner corner wing using the same green liner, and you can see how beautiful they look on the eyes. I absolutely love these, you guys. So yes, I would definitely recommend you guys to try these liners. The best part is that they're so affordable and yet so amazing and great in quality. So definitely recommend you. Hope this review was helpful for you guys. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I shall see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.